Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Pro. Today we have a 2015 Jeep Renegade, stock number 6533. This ran from the 9th 2015 to the 1st 2020. It has a BU 1.4 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is a BU 1.4 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine. Left front headlight. Left front 6-inch factory alloy magnet tyre. Left front door mirror. Left front door no dents. Left rear door no dents. Left rear 6-inch factory alloy magnet tyre. Left rear taillight. Rear tailgate no dents. Right rear taillight. Right rear 6-inch factory alloy magnet tyre. Right rear door no dents. Right front door no dents. Right front door mirror. Right front guard no dents. Right front headlight. Right front 6-inch factory alloy magnet tyre. Front bonnet no dents. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Centre console lid. Automatic gear shifter. Heater AC controls. Factory touchscreen stereo. Interior mirror. Front courtesy light. Left front sun visor. Right front sun visor. Factory 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel. Instrument cluster.